What if I told you that one of the world's largest furniture companies was started by a 17-year-old boy in a small village? Today, IKEA has hundreds of stores around the world and welcomes millions of customers every year. Its blue and yellow buildings have become symbols of affordable furniture, smart design, and modern living. But behind its success is a simple idea that completely changed the furniture industry forever. This is the incredible story of how IKEA built a global empire. Our story begins in southern Sweden. Ingvar Kamprad was born in 1926 on a small farm. From an early age, he showed an unusual interest in business. As a young boy, he bought matches in bulk and sold them individually for a profit. Soon, he expanded into selling pencils, wallets, Christmas cards, flower seeds, and other small items to people in his community. While most children were focused on school and games, Ingvar was learning one of the most important lessons in business. Find something people need and offer it at a better price. That entrepreneurial mindset would later change the furniture industry forever. In 1943, at just 17 years old, Ingvar founded IKEA. The name IKEA came from his initials, Ingvar Kamprad, the family farm Elmtoryd, and the nearby village Agunnaryd. At first, IKEA didn't sell furniture. Instead, it offered everyday products such as pens, wallets, picture frames, and household goods.
During the 1940s and 1950s, buying furniture was expensive. Large wardrobes, tables, and sofas were difficult to transport. Shipping costs were high, and many families simply couldn't afford stylish furniture. Ingvar believed there had to be a better way. Instead of asking how to sell expensive furniture, he asked a different question. How can we make good furniture affordable for everyone? That single question led to one of the greatest innovations in retail history. One day, while preparing a table for delivery, an employee removed its legs so it could fit into a car more easily. It seemed like a small decision, but it inspired a revolutionary idea. What if every piece of furniture could be packed flat and assembled by the customer at home? The result was flat pack furniture. Shipping became cheaper. Storage became easier. Customers could transport furniture in their own vehicles. Most importantly, prices became much lower. This simple innovation helped IKEA expand faster than almost any furniture company before it. IKEA didn't stop at changing furniture. It also changed the way people shop. Instead of allowing customers to walk anywhere they wanted, IKEA created a carefully planned path through its stores. Visitors passed through beautifully designed showrooms, home ideas, restaurants, warehouses, and finally the checkout. This encourages customers to discover products they didn't originally plan to buy. The famous Swedish meatballs, children's play areas, and room displays all help make shopping feel like an experience, rather than just another trip to a store.
As more people embraced IKEA's affordable designs, the company expanded beyond Sweden. Stores opened across Europe, North America, Asia, and many other regions. Millions of families began furnishing their homes with IKEA products. Today, IKEA is one of the largest furniture retailers in the world, generating billions in annual sales while staying true to its original mission of making well-designed furniture affordable for everyone. Business lessons. IKEA's story teaches several valuable business lessons. First, great businesses solve real problems. Second, simple ideas can create global success. Third, lowering costs without sacrificing quality can become a powerful competitive advantage. Finally, businesses that focus on the customer often create lasting success. From selling matches in a small Swedish village to building one of the world's most recognized furniture brands, Ingvar Kamprad proved that extraordinary businesses often begin with ordinary ideas. IKEA didn't become successful because it sold furniture. It became successful because
because it reimagined how furniture could be designed, shipped, and sold. If you enjoyed this documentary, subscribe for more business stories, company success strategies, and the lessons behind the world's biggest brands.